Hey everyone, welcome back. This is John from Friends to Your Benefits. Look, the end of the year is coming up, and you know what that means. You got to spend down your FSA balance before you lose it. We all know that you can use your FSA for things such as going to the doctor's office or purchasing prescriptions, but did you know that you can use your FSA to actually make purchases that are FSA eligible on Amazon? In just a flash, we're going to show you how you can use this card seamlessly on Amazon and make sure that your purchases are either FSA or HSA compliant. We'll also show you some interesting things that you can use your FSA for on Amazon that you probably didn't know. Make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video. So in order to find out whether or not something is FSA or HSA eligible on the Amazon app, we are going to type in FSA eligible items only list. We click it, a whole bunch of things come up, but we'll focus on the top where we have the Amazon FSA/HSA store. So let's click it. We click it and a whole bunch of things come up on top. So we are going to click what is eligible. And we go here and we have the option to go back to the FSA/HSA shop. Next option, you can actually add your FSA or HSA card. Nothing to do at this point, but you'd ultimately click this to do it. Next thing is what is eligible, and that will essentially show you the items below. And the last thing is FAQ. So let's click FAQ real quick. First thing that comes up is what is an FSA or HSA? So ultimately, what is important about the FSA or the HSA is it allows you to pre-fund health expenditures on a pre-tax basis. If you want additional details on the differences between the FSA and the HSA, we'll include a link to the video in the upper right-hand corner. Next one here, can I use my FSA or HSA card on Amazon? And the answer is resoundingly yes, and that's the whole point of the video. So we're gonna go back, again, and then we're going to ultimately see the categories that they have here. It goes from baby and child care, brace and elastic supports, a few other categories here, and we're gonna click eye care. We click eye care, and the first thing that comes up is redness relief eye drops. Coming in at just under $20, it's apparently on sale with subscribe and save. And at the very bottom, we see there's an indicator here whether or not something is FSA or HSA eligible. Click it again, go through the prompt, and you can just purchase it like normal. However, if you want to use your FSA or HSA card, you'll need to do so at checkout. Let's go back again. And Amazon has this actually interesting list on the bottom, discover little known eligible items. We click it, take a look at the second item here, and who would know that Dr. Scholl's heavy duty support pain relief orthotics are definitely FSA and HSA eligible. So really the key is whenever you're on Amazon, if you see that indicator on the bottom where it says FSA or HSA eligible, you're in the good. So we'd love to hear from you on any interesting purchases that you've made with your FSA or HSA on Amazon in the comments below. As always, we encourage you to like the video, hit the bell, and until next time, thanks for joining.